Hello, this is Jeff Pape, and I'm just here today to do a quick video on how to customize ChatGPT to write more like you write. Give it some ideas on your writing style, your voice, your tone, etc. Before I do that, please like, share, subscribe, tell your friends about everything in these videos. It helps me get the word out, and yeah, I appreciate you helping spread the word about these videos. If you like the videos, let me know. If you don't like them, also let me know. I'm always looking to improve these videos. So let's switch to the screen, and we'll kind of look at the quick prompt you can do and how you can customize ChatGPT. So what you should do is you should recognize this. This is just ChatGPT, and I put in a query. I happen to have some blog posts and some writing style I did with WrestlingGear.com. You could submit emails or articles you've written to give it an idea of what to do. But my prompt was using voice, tone, style, and structure, create these instructions to put into ChatGPT for future use, analyze writing style of Jeffrey A. Pape, CPA, MBA, and his blogs that he has written for WrestlingGear.com as well as JeffreyAPape.com. And it was pretty cool. Thankfully, I'm not going to lie, I was a little worried about the critique it might give me in my writing style. However, it did provide some information right here that was pretty nice. You can copy this, and then all you need to do is go over here and go into Customize ChatGPT and put it in there in this section. What traits should ChatGPT have? And when you paste it in here, it will say save. I already did it, so I will hit cancel. And that's all you need to do. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, post a comment or two. I appreciate all the feedback, both positive and negative, about these videos. If you learned something, let me know that as well. And always looking for more ideas on future topics as well. Take care and have a great day. Bye.